How to create a call to action WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create call to action button in WordPress. First of all, you need to bring your cursor here to the sidebar where it is written plugins and then click on add new. Then in this search box you need to type call now button, then click enter. You need to install this first call now button. Click on install now. Once it's installed, click on activate. Once your plugin is installed, scroll down. Here you will see an option for call now button. Click on it. Now here you can create a call now button. The first option is button status. I'll keep it active. And here is button action, what your button can do. I'll click on phone. Now here you need to type your phone number and then button text. Then you need to click on save changes and your button will be added to your website. This is how you can create a call now action to your WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.